Hi, I'm Sally Power and I'm co-director of Wizard here at Cardiff University. At the moment I run the Wizard Education Multi-Cohort Study, which tracks the progress of children and young people as they go through secondary education in Wales. One of the really important and concerning findings that we've discovered recently from our cohort studies is the impact of poverty on children and young people and the extent to which this is evident in the classroom. So we know, for instance, that many children are coming to school hungry and many can't afford to buy their school dinners. So that's clearly one area of concern. We've also followed their very difficult experiences through COVID and through lockdown. We hope that our research informs policy and practice in a number of ways. We liaise frequently with the Welsh Government, and this enables us to identify issues that might help them frame future policies, as well as providing evidence that will enable them to evaluate how their own policies are progressing. We work with teachers and practitioners, and we also hope that we can inform general debates about education. So, for example, every year we publish a range of infographic postcards. These are very short, accessible, attractive summaries of some of the key findings and issues that face young people as they grow up in Wales. The ultimate beneficiaries of our research are children and young people. I think through our research we highlight a number of their concerns and their dilemmas that we can bring to policymakers and practitioners that can hopefully put measures and policies in place that will make their lives better.